here's my review of the cute little balloon decorating kit, which comes with a package of balloons, a spool of ribbon to tie them off. Each of these little kits, which there's packages of kits that come that are included, and each one has some instructions on a piece of paper, and each kit only has enough stuff for one of the designs. So I included a photo, but this is the balloon that I did that has the antennas. Thought that was kind of cute. That's actually this one right here. And here's my kit kind of used up. These were the eyes and eyeballs and mouth, and then these were the little green dots that I didn't use them all because I didn't do the back. And here was the antenna. And to do this one, it comes with one eye and a tooth, and you can see that's a blue set of dots. And here's the eye and the tooth, and then it has the same, you know, eyeball and mouth situation. And then there was a third kit that comes with purple polka dots that I didn't open that would, I assume, do that design.